Hi guys, what's going on? It's the digital tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to add tags to a YouTube video after you've uploaded it on a phone. The process is exactly the same if you're using either an iPhone or an Android device. If you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, you need to download the YouTube Studio app. So you've got the normal YouTube app here, but you need to download this one, which is YT Studio, from either the Play Store or the iTunes Store. Once that's downloaded, just go ahead and open the app and then log into your account. So to actually add tags to a video, what you need to do is click the three horizontal lines in the top left-hand corner. And then you want to go ahead and click onto videos. And then just find the video that you want to add your tags to. So I'm going to click on this one as an example. And then what you need to do is just click the pencil icon at the very top of the page. And then all you want to do is just scroll down slightly and you'll see there's a box here, a little section for all your tags to be added. So all you need to do is click onto the box where it says add tag, put a tag that you want to add and then hit the enter key. And you just do that until you've added all your tags. Once that's done, all you need to do is hit the save button in the top right hand corner, and that's going to save your changes. And what will happen, it should come up with a completion at the bottom saying edit saved, and that's now added tags to the video. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.